If you have an inequality that doesn't work, there can be something that has a no solution. For example, if I had something like 3 and negative 3 and 15, and it was like this. Is negative 3 less than 15? Yes, this is true, right? I'm totally messed up because I was supposed to have a negative here and a positive there. So I'm going to change that real quick. Is 3 less than negative 15? No. This would be a no solution. And I say that because sometimes you're going to be working a problem that looks like this. Let's do 2x plus 1 is greater than 2x plus 3. Let's do this problem. 2x plus 1 is greater than 2x plus 3. What should I do to both sides, Natalie? She said she would subtract 1 from both sides. Subtract 1, subtract 1. That's not what I would have done personally. We can, if we want to. 2x greater than 2x plus 2. What would you do next? Keep going, Natalie. Since you did this one, let's have you keep going. What would you do next? Add 2x? What's the opposite of this? So if you add 2x, does that cancel out to make 0? You'd have to subtract it, because a positive and a negative together is what would make it equal to 0. Subtract 2x. 2x minus 2x. What does 2x minus 2x make?
0.
What symbol do I use? Greater than. What does that make? So what do I write? Now let me ask you, is 0 greater than 2?
No.
This is a no solution. And there's a symbol for no solution. It's the same one as we learned in 1.3. It's the like a 0 with a big bar through it. You can write this down. It happens anytime you get something that is not true. Anything that is not true, we use no solution for. There's a second possibility called all real numbers. And there's a symbol for it. It looks like this. All real numbers. And it has this R. It's a capital R with an extra line through it. It means that you can plug in any real number, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and plug it in and it will work. Could be negative, could be positive, could even be decimals. I'll give you an example. I'm going to use almost the same problem, 2x plus 1, and this time I'm going to do less than 2x plus 3. This is almost the same example as before. I'm curious, Colby, what you would do first. That's what I would have done first too. Okay, so subtract 2x, he says. Subtract 2x. What do you get, Colby? Huh? 0. What would you write? There's something left.
Oh, okay. I put 1 is less than
Is less than 2?
x. I mean, 3.
And is 1 less than 3? If you get something where there's no variables, is 1 is always less than 3, then this is where we would put that it's all real numbers. If you get a statement that is true with numbers and there's no more variables, if it's true and it only has numbers, because you take the 2x, they go away, and it's true, it's all real numbers as your solution. And I don't like to write out all real numbers. I actually like to write the symbol because it's shorter. It's easier to write.